All right, scholars, this is our word work starting for the week of October 21st. So you should be on page 1, and it should say grammar level 1 at the top. So let's go ahead and read the instructions. It says a noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. Put each noun in the correct list. So they've already done the first one for us. They put king in the person column because a king is a person. Now, a kitchen, is a kitchen a place, a thing, or an idea? A kitchen is a place. I can go into my kitchen, so I'm going to put it under place. And then let's see, a thing. A backpack is a thing, so I'm going to put backpack under thing. And an idea, that's like something in our brain, right? We can't really touch it or hold it or look at it. So I think trust is an idea. The idea of if someone trusts you or if you trust someone, that's an idea. So go ahead and fill the rest of these in. You have the following words left over: husband, sadness, wisdom, sock, attic, campus, grape, and dentist. And then down here it says, what do nouns do? Nouns name people, places, things, and ideas. Okay, then the second section says add the article a or the article an before each noun. Use an before a vowel sound. So every time we see a vowel, which I would write out to the side, vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And I went ahead and wrote them down so I don't forget them. And I have the capital letter and the lowercase letter so that I don't forget which one's which. So they did the first one for us, an egg. So they have an E here, which is a vowel. So that tells them they need to write an. Okay, we have the word belt. So B is not one of my vowels. It's not A, E, I, O, or U. So I know I'm going to use the article a belt. Let's try another one. Okay, inch. Inch starts with an I, which is a vowel. So that tells me I'm going to use the article an inch. So you're going to complete this for the rest of these. You have stamp, jog, instant, face, swing, and add. Down here it says use a phrase above to complete each sentence below. Make sure to add a period, question mark, or exclamation point at the end. So you have to remember to add these at the end of the sentence based off of what's happening, okay? So the first one they did for you, did you put an egg in the cake? That's a question, so it's a question mark at the end. All right, so let's do number 2. She will be back in... Actually, let's skip that. Let's do one that I did for you. So, belt. Okay, number 6. There is a snake blank from your leg. There is a snake an inch from your leg. So if there's a snake next to somebody, that's going to be kind of something important that we want to communicate to them. Are we going to use a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point? Well, it's not a question, so I'm not going to put a question mark, right? A period is just for a regular old sentence, just a plain boring sentence, not something exciting like a snake. So I think an exclamation point goes at the end of this because that's pretty heavy stuff. I don't want a snake next to my leg. Maybe it's a nice snake, I don't know, but I would still be kind of excited to say that out loud. All right, so then do not make me. So there's extras that we didn't do. So I want to do one more example. So let's do stamp. Stamp. Do you have blank? Actually, let's do a period one. All right, so I went for blank at lunch. So I think I went for jog at lunch. Is it a jog or an jog? So jog starts with a J. Is J a vowel? Nope. So a jog. I went for a jog at lunch. Is this a question? Nope. Nobody's asking us this. They are telling us this. Is this exciting? Not really. It's just a boring activity during the day, so I think it gets a period. So there you go. You see how to do this now. You're going to finish this up for the following questions, number 2, 4, and 5. Number 2 says, she will be back in blank. Number 4, do not make blank at me again. 5, do you have blank so that I can send this note? So you're going to do that. You do not have to do this star at the bottom. So remember, you're getting what to write in the blank from up here. So you'll pick one of those that fits. If I were you, I would just go through each one and read them and see which one fits in the blank. Once you finish this, you're going to move on to page 2.